Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today I will show you that how you can fix the troubleshooting with keyboard or some keys not working problem with your keyboard. So first of all, what you have to do is you do not have to create a chaos or panic. You have to keep your calm and follow just the steps that I'm showing you right now. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to just go to the search and then search on screen keyboard. Okay, here it is. So you will just open it just so that you can at least operate your PC right here if your keyboard is not actually working. So with this you can actually use this keyboard with the help of your mouse. And now let's just move further. So what you're gonna do now is see the problems with keyboard are usually because of their drivers. So what we can do is actually fix the drivers. So how you can fix it? Just follow me. Right click the start button and then select device manager. So here are all the drivers. You have to just go to keyboard because we're gonna fix it, and then select the driver and uninstall it. So here, don't worry guys, when you will just restart the PC, your drivers will be automatically updated because the Windows automatically keeps updating their drivers. So you don't have to worry oh my god, my drivers is uninstalled, now what I can do. You don't have to do anything. You will just restart your PC and the drivers will be there. And the next thing you can do to fix your keyboard is just go to settings. I'll just close it and go to the settings. Here it is. And what you're gonna do is you have to go to Windows Update and then check for updates if there are any updates related to the keyboards or anything. Now with the update, the Windows can automatically fix the thing. Security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender antivirus. It's not related to keyboard, so it doesn't really matter to me. So now moving further, what we have to do is, if you are not able to find any settings in Windows 11, you have Windows 10. What you can do is you can straight away search for the setting. It's just simple as that. Now back again on the keyboard issue, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to advanced options, and now because I want to recover my keyboard just like before, I'm gonna select recovery. Now it says fix problem without resetting your PC, and that's what we actually want, so I'll just select this. Recommended troubleshooter preferences, recommended troubleshooters history, other troubleshooter. So both of these are none of our concern, so let's just select this. Now here is the list of the things that Windows can check. So we have to go to keyboard, so I'll just drag this bar a little bit down to find keyboard, and here it is. So I'll just run the checks and let's see, troubleshooting has completed, and then close. Now once again you have to go to Windows Update and check for the updates. Takes, but still, if you are facing any other problem, you can just comment it down, and please don't forget to like the video, and thank you. Bye bye.